Aces, our best boys are here for the first time in Davao City and on Ken TV. Let's all welcome the Aces of P-Pop, PGYO! Hi guys!
Hello po!
Welcome to Davao City and on Ken TV. Thank you so much for
Thank you
saying
po.
yes.
Thank you.
Ang fresh ng mga boys. Fresh na fresh din sila sa kanilang performance here in Davao. So, kumusta ang experience niyo here in Davao? You shared kanina, not your first time to come here because nag-quarantine kayo dito. But this is your first time to perform to your Dabawenyo fans. So, kumusta yung experience?
Actually, nagulat po kami kasi pag palabas pa lang namin sa airport dito sa Davao, ang dami sumalubong sa amin. Tapos, yung karamihan, parang bago lang yung mukha. So, nagulat kami na maraming aces din dito sa Davao. Kaya
Yes.
Eh, nakakatuwa rin po yung mga ibang kahit napadaan lang na naging interesado sila sa pinapakita namin on stage. And syempre, kasama namin kasi yung Chow.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
So, you've been together for 4 years now.
Opo.
How are you going to describe your relationship as a team and as brothers? I mean, may mga discoveries pa ba na bago every day? Kahit 4 years na kayong magkasama?
I think sa 4 years na yun, kilala na namin isa't isa talaga. As in, malalim na siya. So, parang isa na kami ng pulso kahit hindi kami magsalita. Alam na namin yung ibig sabihin ng isang bagay. Tsaka,
Ano to? Like sample.
Siyempre, yung mo on the spot.
Hindi na on the spot.
Kumbaga sa 4 years na yun, andun na yung tiwala, respeto sa isa't isa, yung support of each other. And syempre, parang isa kami kung paano gumalaw, mag-function.
Pero isa na din yung tampuhan.
Oo. Hindi na mawawala yun kapag...
Meron ganun din sa inyo?
Tanda ko may kumuha ng laing ko eh.
Parang tagal na nun May babaon pa rin ngayon.
During your performance sa Chowking Halo Show here in Davao, you had a portion na even after the show, you really interacted with your fans. Bumaba talaga ang lahat. Nakipag-mingle talaga with fans. Like, kumuha pa ng mga phones really to take photo and video. So, how are you handling now attention being given to you by the fans? Kasi I mean now, for sure, nagbago na kasi you cannot walk alone na walang nakakakilala sa inyo.
We're handling yung attention from our aces po by making the most out of the moments we're with them. So there's a lot of aces we will only see here for our trip sa Davao, and we want to just give the most we can while we're here, and we just try to give our best performance din po and our best energy, best everything for them po.
Tsaka yung simpleng parang act of kindness or service na mabibigay mo para sa mga fans or aces, parang hindi mo alam kung anong impact yung pwede mabigay mo sa kanila by simply doing it. Kaya simple mo sa ato, katulad ng sabi nila.
Yes. It's not new to everyone. You are very much like really part of the creative process in all the music, and even the choreography up to the smallest details. So can you share sa mga aces natin, how involved are you and how important that you are really involved in the creative process?
It's always a collaboration between management, the BGYO members, and of course the label, the music label we work with. And you know, it's always important na lagi kami nagbi-meeting to collect our ideas. And syempre, if ever may gusto kami, pwede bang ganito? Or baka may mas maganda pa. It's always trying to improve each other's ideas. So sobrang swerte namin to work with ABS-CBN, Star Music. So,
Tsaka po, talagang nakikinig po sila lagi sa amin. And yun nga, bilang sila din yung mas may experience, sinashare din nila sa amin kung ano yung kung paano nagwo-work yung business.
Yeah.
Yes.
As an artist, does it add value sa inyo? Yung parang you have that creative freedom. Na example, you have this suggestion na pwede ba natin itong execute, and then sasabihin ng management na, okay, yes, let's go for it.
yes po. Sobrang importante po sa an artist yun. And sobrang nakaka-happy po na, you know, we working with Star Music and ABS-CBN. We're free and we get to improve a lot yung mga ideas namin.
At the same time po, marami rin kami natututunan from them, especially sa paggawa ng music and sa industriya na ginagawa namin.
Tsaka yung ganong klaseng way namin na lahat kami dapat marinig or dapat mag-contribute, parang natutulungan kami as artists para mas mapalalim pa yung craft namin and yung artistry.
Are there members that are open into venturing into acting as well? Not just magsayaw and magkanta and mag-perform? Are you open to that idea?
Si JL po.
Action star.
Ay, ano po?
Hindi, actually, nag-theater kami ni Aki last year sa
Tabing
Tabing
Ilog, yes.
Then nag-enjoy kami kasi ang gandang niya, experience niya, hindi lang sa acting, pati na rin sa pagpe-perform. Madadala mo siya sa lahat. Even sa pagsasalita mo sa harap ng maraming tao. Yung confidence mo, talagang aangat.
Kaya pala pag kinakausap mo ako na charm ako.
Even yung techniques po, for example, sa singing.
Sample.
Di kunyari yung pag-enunciate, tsaka yung level ng boses mo dun sa maririnig ng tao na kahit nasa pinakalikod, dapat maririnig nila. Parang naturo din doon. So parang ang laking bagay din for us performers na matutunan yung bagay na yun. Kasi dun nga sa trabaho na ginagawa po namin na hindi lang naman kami basta kumakanta tsaka sumasayaw. Nagpa-perform din yung mukha namin para sa mga audience namin.
Yes.
Gusto namin mag-act or like kahit non-related sa music na mga projects kasi we get to explore tsaka iba't ibang klaseng discipline rin yan na sa amin din naman makaka-benefit din.
Gusto nga po namin magkaroon ng movie na magkakasama.
Why not?
First of all,
Let's manifest that. Let's manifest a movie for BGYO. You've been touring around the country for Chowking Halo-Halo. Kamusta yung experience? And siguro your most unforgettable like encounter with your fans in a show?
Sobrang saya po ng experience kasi bukod po sa sinasama kami ng Chowking sa iba't ibang lugar sa Pilipinas. Ang dami po naming aces na ito yung siguro for me po most unforgettable moment yung kapag meron kaming bagong mukha na nakikita na aces ka, anong username mo sa X? Parang ikaw to,
magugulat ka na lang na sila pala yun.
So for us po parang isa sa pinaka unforgettable moments po kapag nami-meet namin yung mga bagong aces na matagal ng aces na first time namin makikita in person. Yung first time nila kami makikita in person. Yung reaction na binibigay nila kapag nakikita nila kami. Siguro yun yung isa sa pinaka tumatatak po talaga.
Yes.
Tsaka ako, ang i-share ko, pinaka-best experience. Dahil sa Chowking, nakapunta ako ng Boracay. Kami lahat. First time
Yung ano pa ako nun, 9 years old.
Pero
pa
halos
ako.
lahat kami first time sa Boracay. So, pangarap namin yun. Dahil sa Chowking, nakapunta kami doon.
You've been together for 4 years now. So, how are you going to define now success?
Siguro, ma-define ko yung success sa ngayon. Siguro pag yung meron yung pagdating sa music namin, pag meron na kaming maraming taong nai-inspire, like kapag may mga nagme-message sa amin na dahil sa music namin na bago namin yung buhay, yung pananaw nila sa buhay. So doon pa lang parang yun na yung success eh. Tsaka as long na nag-e-enjoy kami sa mga performances, sa lahat ng ginagawa namin, yun, para sa amin, yun na yung salitang tagumpay.
Yes, exactly. Because I remember during your launch, you mentioned na you've wanted really your music to touch lives, to help them like cope up with something that they've been going through, inspire them. And yes, it's so amazing to hear the boys na for them, success is not always about the loud cheer of the crowds, like the number of followers or of people going to your mall show, but really on the people who has been touched by their music and in their presence. And with that, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
5 years from now, sana ba ang BGYO? Ano na kaya ang ginagawa ninyo 5 years from now? Ando na ba yung movie ninyo together?
Siguro nasa na kami, malaking arena. Nagpe-perform na kami sa...
Busy pa rin.
Tapos...
5 years from now.
Is marami na tayong mga songs na makikilala talaga sa buong mundo.
Tsaka yung maririnig mo na kahit sa 5 years.
Tours.
5 years from now, ako naman yung sasabay sa kanila kapag sa concert.
Okay.
Siya pa lang yung yung may kotse.
Ayaw ko si Dalin yung...
Yes.
Ngayon, hindi pa sa akin. Siya pa lang talaga yun.
So, by that time, isa-isa na kayong may sasakyan.
Ay!
Magbubusinahan na kami sa...
Wow.
Pero sa akin, busina lang. Walang kotse.
Yes, let's claim and
New Year.
manifest that for our best boys. So now guys, what's next for BGYO? Ano yung may new song ba kaming aabangan?
Ay.
Projects, because I heard Tabing Ilog, there's a new
A rerun.
schedule, a
Yes.
rerun this year. So invite them. Ano yung mga dapat abangan sa BGYO this year?
Aces and the viewers of Ken TV, stay tuned because in June we're releasing a new song,
Wow.
new choreo, and you guys will enjoy it. So follow us on all social media platforms, BGYO_PH.
And that
Tuloy-tuloy na yan.
is just the start.
Abangan niyo po
Yes.
yung rerun ng Tabing Ilog the Musical po. So,
Abangan
ayun,
ang pagbabalik.
malapit na.
Ay,
November.
nagbabalik.
November ba?
Yes.
So there's a rerun of Tabing Ilog happening this year.
Yes.
So abang-abang lang po sa announcements on the official social media accounts of BGYO and Star Magic Philippines. Wait lang, you mentioned about a new song and a new choreography. I'm just curious, where do you draw your inspiration sa mga bagong choreography? Kasi like, in every song, there's really something new in your choreography. So like, saan kayo kumuha ng inspiration? Do you watch like mga
Actually-
shows or mga idols ninyo?
Actually, sa song na to, involved na talaga kami sa choreography. Lalo na yung isa dito.
Oo.
Hindi ko na lang sasabihin.
Hindi ko na lang sasabihin ko.
Oh, kasi
ko
yung
na
sasabihin
sasabihin.
yung naka-green na lang
Naka-green
or...
na, naka-jeans na.
Pero,
Hindi ko lang sasabihin
every-
ko sino yung involved.
Kaya sasabihin ko sino yung involved sa choreography.
Hindi ko sasabihin.
Wait, ba't ako?
Hindi ko sasabihin si Nathan.
Oo, so hindi natin sasabihin lahat sila involved. Your message, una, to your aces here in Davao City. And your message to the other aces all over Mindanao kasi nag-ikot din kayo for your shows in Jensen, in Cotabato, naikot nyo na in a way ang Mindanao. So your message to them.
So, yan, gusto namin magpasalamat sa lahat ng aces dito sa Davao. Siyempre, sa pagpunta nyo dito, alam ko malayo pa yung mga binyahe din ng iba dito. Yung iba galing pang Metro Manila.
Kasabay pa natin sa
Oo,
airport.
Kasabay pa.
Ay,
Thank you so much. Salamat din sa mga pasalubong. Sobrang
Thank you po.
na-appreciate namin yan.
Warm welcome talaga.
Yes. And sa lahat ng aces sa Mindanao, thank you so much sa supportan nyo. Sana next year magkita-kita ulit tayo at sana mas dumami pa tayo dito sa Mindanao.
Tsaka Aces, sa lahat ng Aces dito sa buong mundo, sa lahat ng Aces, marami pa tayong aabangan na mga exciting times ahead. Sana kasama namin kayo sa journey namin and mag-enjoy lang tayo. We love you!
Yes, and
To close our kantuhan, what is your message sa mga kabataan like your age who's going through like tough times or siguro meron din silang desire to really become successful in their respective fields? So ano yung parang words of encouragement that you want to give them na hopefully babaunin nila, makikita nila to, and then malalagay sa isip nila?
To all the kids out there, don't give up. You know, listen to your heart and listen to your dreams. Trust God, trust the process, and always pray. Don't
Yes,
give up.
tama.
Because everything happens for a reason. God put you in that place to learn, to, you know, grow.
Yes. Tsaka huwag kayo magmamadali. I-trust nyo yung timing ni Lord sa inyo. Kung dinadoubt nyo yung sarili nyo. Normal lang yan. Pero go lang ng go.
and love yourself.
Yes.
And love your
That you're
family.
in and not perfect.
So it's trusting the process, that's so cliche but very, very, very important. Trusting yourself and of course surrendering everything to the Lord. Thank you so much guys
Thank you
and
po.
thank you so much everyone for watching. Bye!
Bye-bye.
1, 2.
Thank you po.